So Winter Wonderland. About a foot of snow on March 6th, 2011. Pretty impressive. We're getting the entire season in pretty much one day. Like 3 years worth of snow just in one day. Look at that come down. Usually you can't really see the snow on camera, but that's pretty impressive. Yeah, I'm not really sure why I said March 6th, 2011. It's 2013. But yeah, March 6th, 2013. Okay, maybe. I think I'm thinking the previous snow that we had a few years ago. That's why I said 2011. But yes, it is 2013.